In the Bahamas, marine biologist Kelly Melillo-Sweeting is studying the play behavior of these young spotted dolphins.
Research into dolphin play is ongoing. We don't have all of the answers yet. Play used to be thought of as a functionless activity, but now I think we're better understanding that social play is extremely beneficial.
To find out why young spotted dolphins prefer playing together, Kelly wants to experience their games firsthand by joining in. For that, she'll need a little help. Her underwater scooter pulls her through the water almost 3 times faster than she can swim, which would make her a worthy playmate for a young dolphin. As Kelly circles the pod, her rapid movement soon catches the interest of a youngster. And the chase is on. While the adults watch, more and more youngsters join the game. Movement-based play is a way for young animals to develop their bodies.
When dolphins are interacting with each other and they're having social playtime, then we see a different complexity that can develop because they can't predict what the other dolphin is going to do.
Young dolphins become good swimmers by playing alone. But the unpredictability of playing in a group pushes their speed and agility much farther. It's the perfect way for youngsters to practice their swimming skills. While juveniles are content playing simple games like tag, adults prefer to play something more sophisticated. Not chase, but catch. All they need is a piece of seaweed. It's a game they can play alone, passing it from tooth to tail. But it's more fun with buddies. So why would fully grown adults that have completed their physical development waste time playing catch?
One of the great benefits of social play is undoubtedly social bonding. In addition to all of the things that they're gaining in terms of exercise and agility and mobility, they're creating bonds with another individual or multiple individuals, and we believe that these play interactions create those bonds.
These bonds created through play are the glue that helps hold the pod together. It's crucial for dolphins when it comes to hunting. By working together in tight pods, they can catch more fish than they can alone.